Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this tweedy blanket. And this crochets up very quickly and it has a really nice texture. So let's get started. To make this tweedy blanket, I'm going to work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn, one in a tan color and one in brown. You could also work with a chunky yarn like this gray rag, or you could even work with 2 strands of the same color. So I'm going to start with a slip knot. For a 36-inch wide blanket, chain 65. And I'm working with a 9mm crochet hook. I'm going to start with a slip knot. And you're going to work a foundation row in multiples of 2 plus 1. So work your foundation row in multiples of 2 plus 1. When you have your foundation row, the length that you would like, you're going to single crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. And this is called the linen stitch or the moss stitch. So chain 1. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Like that, and you're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I ended with a single crochet in the last stitch. So at the end of the row, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And that will count as a single crochet and a chain 1. So now you're going to skip this stitch and you're going to find your first chain 1 space right here and single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked across the row. At the end of the row, you're going to skip that single crochet and you're going to find that little space past it and you're going to single crochet in that stitch. So this row will be repeated over and over. Chain 2 and turn. Find the first chain 1 space, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Find that next chain 1 space, single crochet in the chain 1 space. And you're just going to keep repeating this row over and over until your blanket is the size that you would like it to be. So find that chain 1 space, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Like that. And you just keep repeating that row over and over until the blanket is the size that you would like it to be. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this very easy and very soft and drapable textured blanket. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.